Hey guys, what's up? We're back at it with a layer and curling tutorial. This is more of a layers tutorial, okay? So if you've been wanting to know how to layer some hair, just keep watching. So I'm just taking my shears and I'm gonna take my client's hair and I'm just gonna see where her natural hair stops. This is a traditional install, so she does have leave out. I do not want to cut her leave out, so I'm gonna see where her natural hair falls. After that, I'm just gonna take my shears and I'm gonna cut in a slanted direction. Do not be afraid to cut hair. You have to cut the hair. Do not be afraid. You do need a good pair of shears, so make sure you have some shears and not beauty supply store scissors. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking her hair and making sure it's all lined up. You can see me pulling her hair in the front and you can see me taking her hair and pulling in the back. I'm just making sure every piece is cut. You don't want a long piece or a short piece or a piece that even looks out of place because it will not fall right. So make sure you are pulling the hair in the front, on her shoulders, in the back, and making sure that it is all even. If you can't really see right now, when I go to the other side of her head, it'll be a better view. So you'll actually see exactly what I'm doing here. Now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm just gonna layer the front. I'm not gonna go through her hair and layer it, but I'm also making sure I'm not cutting her natural hair. So I'm just gonna start framing her face, starting at the bottom of her chin. And then I'm just gonna cut in a diagonal direction. Here's a better view of the layers. Do you guys see that? It looks flawless. So after I layered the front, I'm just going to pull her hair back and I'm gonna pull it up and make sure it's all layered and it's all even. Do this at your own risk. I am a master cosmetologist and I went to school for this. So if you feel like you can't really cut like how I was just cutting, it's called point cutting, then don't do that. Now I'm gonna just do a little close up so y'all can get it. So you see the little piece at the bottom? That piece is a little longer. So we're just gonna make it even and we're gonna just cut it with the rest of the layers. Now you see how it looks even, it's not choppy looking. And I'm just gonna make the rest of her hair at the ends, I'm gonna make it even with what I just cut. Here, I'm just making sure the layers are layering. So I'm just pulling her hair up and making sure that she has visible layers in her hair. I'm not doing a full-blown curling tutorial because I already have a curling tutorial up, but I am going to show y'all this new technique that I learned. I'm using my T3 curling iron and I am curling upwards. Okay, in my other curling tutorial, I curled downwards, but this time I'm curling upwards because I've been seeing it all over social media lately, so I just wanted to try it. Here's the finished look of the curls, and I'm just gonna take these curls down and I'm gonna comb them out. Now let's get into the comb out. So I love combing out my curls. They just fall better, they look better, they give that finished, sexy, classy, grown woman look. So I love me some combed out curls. So that's what I'm doing here, y'all. And honestly, I didn't really like how the curls turned out. Well, in the front. I didn't really like how the curls in the front turned out. So I did go back in and I just curled it the way I usually do. Just the front though. But everything else looked so beautiful. And if you like this hair, you can get this hair from charmingtresses.net. I will have this hair linked down below in the description. So if you would like to purchase, you can just click on that link and purchase your raw Indian bundles. Honestly, I feel like these type of curls are for like super layered hair. So if you're going through the hair, layering it like all through the hair, that's a good curling technique to do if you're layering, you know, throughout the hair. And for the edge control, I did use my favorite, the Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, the solid top, not the black top. So if you guys are wondering which edge control to get that one. Here is where I had to just go back in and curl the hair because I really didn't like how the curls fell. So I'm just curling it the way I usually do. But the rest of the hair looks so pretty. Now I feel like if I would have did like super heavy layers, that curling style would have been cute. But since I did like long layers, the regular curls is fine. If you want to learn my curling technique, just go to my previous curling tutorial video and I literally teach you step by step on how to curl hair the right way. I will link that down below in the description as well. Let's get into the bounce, y'all. Look how beautiful this hair is. It's so flawless. I love this hair so much. It's so versatile. Oh yeah, and on another note, we're almost at 10K subscribers. And yeah, I think I got something for y'all when we hit 10K. What do y'all think the surprise is gonna be? Can you guess it down below in the comments? Let me know any other videos or tutorials you guys want me to post. I'll see you guys on the next video. Mwah.